we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing this new lavalier microphone I purchased. The reason I'm buying a new lavalier microphone is this one's a stereo and the previous one I had was a mono. A stereo goes to both your right ear and your left ear, but the mono goes to your only one ear and you choose whether it goes to left or right. Okay, so as we open the box, we can see here that we get an interesting looking package here. And this is a pretty cool package. It's this fabric feeling material and it comes with a zipper. PowerDeWise, pretty cool looking. So if we unstrap it, we can hear that Velcro. Really cool stuff. It looks like it's attached to the microphone. If we look at the lines here, we can see that there's 3 of them on here, and basically you need at least 2 of them to let it be a stereo mic. That's how you determine whether it's stereo or mono. We take off the little soft piece here. We can see that the microphone that has the little holes here, and it's a fairly slim profile microphone. And it has a few little silver trimmings right there. And we also get inside of the microphone a little baggie here, and it looks like we just get a few extra things here. It looks like we get a little converter, male to female, if you need to change things up. I really like that PowerDeWise included all of this gear inside of the bag. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing an audio quality test comparing the camera. This is gonna signify the camera, and this is gonna signify the PowerDeWise lavalier microphone. So first we're gonna start with the camera. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And now to the lavalier microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And back to the lavalier microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. As you can tell, the lavalier microphone sounds significantly better. We are using it now, and I think this is going to be a good upgrade for me going into the future. So if you're someone who does YouTubing, gaming, you sit in meetings a lot, I think this microphone would be a good starter mic as an upgrade. So if you're thinking about upgrading your audio game, I would say this is a really good starter mic. You can get it on Amazon for $22, which is very cheap for what it comes with. It comes with a microphone that we're using now that is 6.5 feet long and an extender that extends the range to an additional 6.5 feet. It also comes with a clip, a few extra microphone protectors, and a few other things like a cleaning cloth for your lens. Really good stuff. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get this microphone from $20 to $30 depending on what season and what time and what sales are happening on Amazon. So if you're interested, be sure to click that link and check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you want to see more tech videos like this in the future, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one.